The one Christmas I really remember about is my son Rob. He was career Air Force, and he was stationed in Monterey at the Language Institute. And he was saying, "Mom, we're going to come up Christmas morning. Later on, we're going to open up our gifts at home." I said, "Okay, fine." So about 10 o'clock, there's a knocking on our door. And who's there? Rob, Masako, and the two boys, plus a whole bag of Christmas gifts there. And I said, "What happened?" And they said, "Well, the boys wanted to come up here." So I said, "Okay, come on, join the crowd." And then the next day, the rest of the family came. In fact, it was the last time the whole family was together. So, but that was the most fun Christmas I remember. It was just being, surprised and everything. We had a lot of laughs and everything on here. And the kids had a ball. In fact, they still talk about it.